In this section, we're going to talk about some simple and useful middle game techniques. In our previous course, The Rules of Go, we already studied 2 of them. So before learning anything new, let's review those first. The first technique that we saw back then was called a ladder. Let's have a look. In this symmetrical position, it's Black's turn, and Black wants to capture the single white stone. Do you remember how to do it? We can do that by playing here, Atari. And if White now tries to escape, then we will Atari again from the other side. Escape, Atari, all the way to the edge of the board, and there White will be captured. And this is how the ladder works. Trying to escape from a ladder that works for Black is wrong for White, because with every move, White is going to lose more points. But Black has to be careful because in this case the board is empty. But if there are any white stones in the area, they can help White. So for example, if White has a stone somewhere here on the way of the ladder, now the ladder doesn't work. And if Black tries to do the same thing, White can confidently escape. Atari, White escapes. Atari, another one. And you can see that White gets connected to that stone. All of the white stones are connected. White is safe. And now Black has a lot of weaknesses, which brings us to the next technique that we talked about earlier, double Atari. At this point, Black only has one move, but he can't protect all of the weaknesses at once. For example, Black can play here, but now White can play a double Atari on any of these stones. For example, White plays here, and even if Black connects this stone and saves it, White will capture this one. This result is a disaster for Black. These techniques look very simple, but you have to remember that one of these techniques that works or doesn't work in one of your games might decide the outcome of the whole match. So be very careful, and now let's continue with a new tactical trick, a snapback. It sounds ominous, but I hope you will understand why and how it got its name when you see it. It's Black's turn, and the 2 white stones seem to be in danger. Black wants to capture them, but if he attacks directly, like this, then White will connect. And even though the white shape doesn't look pretty, White is all connected and safe. Instead of this, Black has a trick up his sleeve. Black can throw in a stone like this. It's a sacrifice. And if White now captures, the 3 white stones only have 1 liberty left, and the snapback closes. Black captures all 3. So Black sacrificed 1 stone to capture 3. It's a basic example of a snapback. And now let me show you another one. This is a similar situation. Black to play. Can Black capture the 3 white stones? Just like before, if Black tries to attack the white stones from the outside, White will simply connect. So instead of this, Black should throw in, and if White now captures this black stone, then the 4 white stones are in Atari, and Black can capture them next. So typically when this happens, when Black plays this Atari, White understands that this is a snapback. So there's no reason to capture this black stone now, because the white stones will be captured anyway. So White ignores this and plays elsewhere. A snapback is a fancy and beautiful tactical trick. It's also quite practical. You can often see it in real games. We've seen 2 simple examples of a snapback so far. Now try to notice it in your own games. It might not be as obvious as a double Atari, but it can really make a difference in a fight. By the way, you can also watch these lessons on our platform, gomagic.org. Except there, you'll watch them with interactive quizzes right within the lessons and practical exercises right after them. And if you enjoy watching these Go videos and you don't want to miss others like this one, go smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this is Go Magic.